walk with me to the office and I'll tell you a little story. See, over 4 years ago, I didn't have this. I didn't have anything actually. I lost my business, gave it to a partnership that didn't work out, so I gave him everything. Left me broke, busted, and disgusted and trying to figure out something new, losing over $1 million in assets. But 4 years later, I've been able to build an 8-figure business, 7-figure business, a bunch of these things, and we've been able to scale our businesses consistently. Now, we help people do the same thing because I'm tired of all these coaches coaching coaches, but no one doing the work. Now follow me over here. Let me introduce you to my team. This is our ads team. Our ads team is probably my favorite part because we spend over $1 million a month on ads and brands that we actually own and control. We build brand ourselves because it's the most lucrative thing that you can do. Now this is where we build funnels. See, if you're spending money on ads and you don't have a high converting funnel, you're wasting all of your money. See, we started off as an agency out of my actual bedroom, but you know what's not fun? Scaling other people's businesses. So we stopped that, started building our own, and all those plaques that we have that do 8 and 7 figures, those are ours. Let me show you the media room. This is where we get all of our media done for all of our content brands, because at the end of the day, if you're not a media company, you're not gonna be a brand for long in this age. See all these people? They were bartenders, waiters, waitresses, did retail, and now they all do this because they all learned one particular thing. Because of the demand of people all over the world wanting to learn these skill sets, I decided to create something crazy, something new and something different, something that would teach you how to actually survive in life, something you don't need a college degree and to put yourself $100,000 in debt to create. That skill that actually gets you paid to work and grow your business in any kind of capacity, not just now, but for life. I'm telling you because we know exactly what to do to help your business reach the same level of success that ours has. And we want to show you everything. So if you want to start learning how to build your business and help others build theirs, you need 2 things. You need to be extraordinary with your skill set and a savage with your mindset.